This is a Guitar Hero DS Lite. I bought this from eBay about 5 years ago. I seem to remember buying a couple of them. I bought a green one that I fixed. I think it had a dodgy top screen. And I bought this one. And it's been sat festering in a box for 5 years. Because it's so old, I don't have the eBay listing. I can't see what's wrong with it. I've got no idea. It just said faulty. It did come with this rather cool Guitar Hero thing. Controller, that's the word I'm looking for. And I don't think it came with this. I must have bought this separately from CEX. But again, it's been that long that I can't remember. Right, let's see if it turns on. I don't know why I'm trying this because I know it's not going to. Surprise, surprise. Right, let's have a look at the battery in it. Make sure it's not swollen or anything. Oh, it looks alright. Let's get the multimeter out and see what voltage we've got in it. Multimeter in voltage DC. 3.3 volts. That's actually much better than I thought it was going to be. Right, well, let's plug it in and see if it takes a charge. I think it should do at that voltage. Yeah, there we go. We've got the green light. Is that? It's not green, it's orange. We've got an orange light. Right, is this going to turn on? It's drawing 0.4 amps, which is healthy. I've got a horrible feeling I'm going to turn this on and it's going to be the top screen that's broken. And I remember from doing the green one, this green one, how horrific that is. Please don't be the top screen. Please don't be the top screen. It comes on. Yeah, it's got a broken top screen. Excellent. This is red here. I'm guessing that just means that the battery's low. I think if I unplug this, it's just going to die, isn't it? Oh no, it stays on. And then dies. Right. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and charge that battery up with my trusty charger. And then I can just leave it charging, hopefully. Let me see if I can clip this on here. I think so. Ah, there we go. Right, according to this, it's 50% charged. So I'm just going to leave that on. Let's just see the amp draw. It is 0.54. That's healthy. Let's put it to one side. I also seem to remember when I did the green one, that the top screen only worked at a certain angle. And I think the ribbon cable had a tear in it. So I'm going to see if I've still got that, because I think at the time I didn't want to repair it because I was still rubbish. Well, more rubbish than I am now. And I just bought a new one because I wimped out. Would you believe it? I do still have it. I have the cracked case, the hinge bit. Oh, and look, I've even written on it, ribbon connector torn. Isn't that nice of me? Well done, past me. Right, well, that's quite enough of all that. Let's put all these to one side and let's take this thing apart.
Yes, it's that time where the world is divided. Skip is gonna skip, others get excited. So thank you to those 40 people who are still here. I do this so a Chinese sponsor don't hear. Hashtag not sponsored, that's how I roll. Indeed, Guru Jingers try to keep some control. The concrete donkeys are the real MVPs. Brian Mitchell, Lee Benz, thank you please. Dr. Princess Wizard, Christopher Shore, Ed McLaughlin, Sigma 4, Free TV, not forgetting Webclaw, and everyone out there we can't ignore. Mousy the Mouse, get the money. Charge now, Kip Hakes, Ozzy B, Will 2R Flux, Super Andy, Sarah Cat, Kissox, James and Danny, Frosty Coleslaw, John Prusik, James Fryman, Michael Biggie, Andy Banks, Jonathan Harden, Steve's the Panic, Scott made a thing, Emma Westwood made Lucas sing. Let's fix this DS, make it brand new. After closing out the things with Larry W. Stupid hinge, stupid spring, stupid thing. Left for 5 years in a box festering. Peace.
Right, well that was just as much fun as I remember. All the screws are different sizes. Some are Y-wing, some are crosshead. Absolute nightmare. Anyway, let's take this board out. There's bits falling everywhere. I don't even know where that's come from. Oh, is it from there? Where's the other one then? Oh, found it. Right, I know I've done this before, but I can't remember how to do it. So it goes through the hinge, doesn't it? So do I have to just disconnect this? I can't remember. Just take more screws out, Steve. Obviously, they're a different length than all the others.
Stop whining.
Why am I doing this to myself?
You lack discipline.
Is there a way of getting these off without completely destroying them? I'm never going to remember where all these screws go. Right, surely that's it now.
Stop whining.
Right, I think before I carry on, I'm going to get this old one under the microscope and I'm going to see if it can actually be repaired. I'm worried that even if I repair it, when I start rolling it up and sticking it through the hinge, I'm just going to undo the repair that I've done. But I think I'm going to give it a go. Well, if I don't, I'm going to have to wait for a replacement screen to arrive and I can't be bothered. Right, here we go. Where's the tear? Is that it? Wow, that is small, isn't it? Looks like it's gone through 5 traces. I mean, it doesn't look great everywhere, does it? I mean, I don't know if this is damaged here. Might be wasting my time with this. So can I scrape back and fix? Grinding pen? Worth a go. Look at the side. That's a very, very thin grinding pen nib. Right, it's taken me about 4 hours to do that one, and I don't think I'm going to be able to get the next one on without knocking that one off. Why don't I just buy a new one? I'm going to try one last time. I'm going to do it from this end here, and I'm going to do them sort of stepped, hopefully. I'm just going to try and scrape all of this back. Right, I've abandoned the grinding pen because I'm just making a mess. It's time for this fiberglass pen, which leaves horrible bits of fiberglass everywhere that stick in your fingers and is awful. I give up. Right, it's a couple of days later and my new screen has arrived. I don't know why I put myself through those hours and hours of tiny wire torture, but I did. So I'm going to try and install this. I do know I need to remove... Is this the broken one? It is now. I do need to remove the speakers from this and attach them to this one. I think that's the only bit of soldering that I need to do. And then I just need to put it all back together. So let's do that. I've just melted some plastic. Right there. I've got a new thing that I absolutely hate on these now, and it's the shoulder buttons and the stupid springs.
Actual time to reassemble, 51 minutes and 43 seconds.
I really should have tested this, because if this doesn't work and I have to take this apart again, I am going to cry. Like, not even pretend to cry, I will actual cry. Right, well this is now charged up. Let's pop that battery in. Oh, please work. Okay, here goes. Well, we get a green light. I probably shouldn't get too excited. I need to make sure the touchscreen works, don't I? Oh, yes. There we go. Yes, it's the 1st of January 2000. Oh, just get on with it. Right, what do I do now? Right, well, let's have a look at this. Please work. I don't want this to be faulty as well. I'm assuming this works. Ooh, nice. What's that for? Nintendo DS Lite. Oh, you're supposed to swap that. Is that for like the original DS? Okay, well let's do that. Obviously the screwdriver's too big. Ah, even this is irritating. Right. Right, let's plug this in. Well, that's nice. Yes, my birthday is on the 1st of January. Oh my lord. There it is. I'm right-handed, so is that going to flip? Wait, do I have to do it left-handed? Okay. Turn off the power. Oh, this is so annoying. I just know after all this, I'm just going to be terrible at this game. Am I going to get a copyright strike for these? Probably, but hey, let's do it anyway. Let's do expert. Nice. Right, what do I do? That was hard. Oh, I'm getting cramp. Oh, I'm getting cramp. Stupid game. Piece of fiberglass stuck in my finger. Ow.
All the small things, true